Have you ever dreamed of living in a southwestern paradise? Well, do I have a home for you with 6 acres in Mesilla Park. Very coveted, loved area by a lot of people. A lot of tourists visit there. Now discover this unique appeal of this historic community where history meets modern comfort. Check this out. Man, I totally have a huge party and dance the night away. All right, I love that there's another separate living quarter over there and they're using it. I won't tell you what it is, but it's a unique surprise. Now this is when we walk in, we have a bathroom here. All right, let's go straight into the living room. This would be, as you drive in, we'll go out there right now, and they have a beautiful little fountain there. Remember, this property has around 290 income-producing pecan trees, and I love, this is a living room, wet bar, whatever you want to call it. It is a living area. I gotta tell you, there's like a yoga Pilates studio. You can convert into a casita. There is an infrared sauna. I'm not gonna say more, I'm just gonna show you. Once again, you have access to the beautiful pool out there. Now look guys, this is a luxury home. So if you like this house, please subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. This home is so close to Mesilla Park. A lot of people love that area, and I've done other videos of Mesilla Park, so you can go back and look at them as well. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Just so you all know, this home does not have an HOA. Now this home has over 3,300 square feet. Notice all the floors are Saltillo. Look at all the unique tiles all around the home. It's really beautiful. It has a unique flavor, unique feeling. I love this home. Before we go into the primary bedroom, I just want to show you guys, because there's a separate garage over there as well, but this is front of the house, I guess we can call it. This would be the front door. Remember, there's over 290 income producing pecan trees. You're on over 6 acres. So I do want to show the garage. Love that it has a sink out here. A lot of cabinet space. Okay guys, let's go into the closet. I love the closet because look, it has all this space for shoes. So notice the lights. There are lights on the mirrors. Let's go inside, guys. I mean, I love the fact that you have 2 shower heads, right? And then you have so many different options. And usually these are on top, you know, so you can grab, but I love the fact that they're on the bottom. You don't have to struggle trying to pull them out. Tile all around. And then you have this cedar infrared sauna. I mean, I would just sit right here, take a lap in the pool. Can you imagine yourself just waking up in the morning, getting a sip of coffee, seeing the sunrise, plunging into the pool, and then you just come in here and you just detoxify with this beautiful sauna. Okay, right here is where I'm gonna ask you, if you have not subscribed to this beautiful Mesilla home, and you wanna see more videos like this, subscribe below. Please tap the bell for notifications. We're getting calls from people just like you that are thinking of moving to Las Cruces, and we love it. We're gonna go outside where we came in through, and I love all this concrete. Look at this. Before we go in where I want to show you, I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer, but I wanted to show you this. This is actually somewhere where you can just come relax outside and get a nice little tan. I'm all tanned out, guys, because I'm always doing videos for you all, but I just wanted to show you this little area. I love it. Let's go see that surprise that I'm talking to you about, because this can be a separate quarters. I love that you can be sitting out here in the winter too, and just, you know, with that fireplace right there. Now this is a separate garage. You can convert it into a casita, but let me show you what they're using it as. All right, guys, I want you to tell me on the comments what this is about. Maybe do you want to open up a business as well and do Pilates in here, do aerial stuff? I mean, guys, look at this. That is so sweet. You can just come out here and relax and always have parties, inviting your friends over and family. It has its own bathroom, full bathroom. One unique feature is that toilet. You just get close, opens, you do your business, flush it, and it closes by itself. Now the pool fits about 30 people. Yeah, talk about a party, right? Fits about 30 people. I love that the garage also, look at this, it's finished. And once again, oh my goodness. Look at this pool. This does close, so you know it doesn't get so dirty. I'm gonna show you a little bit outside because I mean this home is over, remember, it's over 6 acres. Now you could also make this an equestrian paradise for you, because there's for horses over here. Here's a fire pit, beautiful fire pit. I just want to show the home this way. Yeah, guys, this to me is a huge dance floor. So you do have a well and you do have city water. Just in case you wanted more water, there is enough. Now remember, over there is all the pecan trees, but you can have horses here as well. All those are part of the land, all those pecan trees, and they go around. Yeah, so I mean, it's a huge property, guys. You guys can do whatever you like. I mean, you can get some income out of it as well. Remember, you are on 6 acres. And that's beautiful, 6 acres. Now, you may be asking, well, what's the price on a beautiful equestrian, southwestern Mediterranean style home out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico? This one actually is not in Las Cruces. Remember, this is in Mesilla Valley, Mesilla, close to Mesilla Park. Now, Mesilla Park is minutes away from all the adobe culture. You know, there's a lot of adobe buildings over there. It's just very historic. A lot of tourists come and visit. So the price of this home is $1,495,000. Yes. Now, you may be asking, well, it's very expensive. Remember, location, you're getting a beautiful home. It has over $450,000 in upgrades that a lot of homes don't have. You have a pool, lap pool that fits over 30 people. You have your own Pilates, yoga studio, whatever you want to make it. You can convert it as a casita. You have income producing pecan trees, right? I mean, the possibilities are endless. Tell me on the comments what you guys would do with this property besides living in it. That's the normal, right? You're minutes away from beautiful Mesilla Park, beautiful home. Now I'm gonna do a little drive, that way you guys can see where I'm at. There's a lot of agriculture out here as well. Guys, if you have any questions before we do the community drive, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We know you may be looking for newer homes as well. We can help. Whatever questions, we're here to help you. Let's drive.